Hi, my name is Ray Henson. I work at eXp Realty. I've been a real estate agent here in the Elk Grove and Sacramento areas for the past 12 years. I really appreciate you stopping by my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be discussing real estate tips and information for buyers and sellers. I'm also going to be doing some videos on my experiences here at eXp Realty. If you are new to the channel, I've put together a playlist for you to watch. If you enjoy what you have to see there on the playlist, I'd sure appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again for coming by, and enjoy.